Okay, we're going to start here. For question 6 says the size of the Nubis galaxy is 2.7 times 10 to the ninth Fuggles. How many blops is this? So I'll start with 2.7 times 10 to the ninth Fuggles over 1. I'm going to go from Fuggles to Churks, Churks to Riddigs, Riddigs to Blops, because I'm trying to find Blops. So I have Fuggles on the top. And I have a conversion here going Fuggles to Churk, and there's 9 Fuggles and 1 Churk, so my Fuggles will cancel. Next, I'm going to go from Churks to Riddigs, so Churks are on the top. And I know that 42 Churks are in 1 Riddig, so my Churk canceled. I'm going to go from Riddig to Blops. And Riddig is on top, so I do Riddig to Blop. And that's 34 Riddigs and 1 Blop. And then I'm going to take calculator, clear, 2.7 times 10 to the, oops, not what I wanted to do here, 2.7 times 10 to the 2, 7, 1, 2, 3. So that's 2.7 used to be here. I'll go 2, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm counting decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 2.7 times 10 to the 9, or 2.7 with 9 zeros after it, divided by 9, divided by 42, divided by 34, equals 210,084 Blops. The next one. How many larval stage Weevips would you have to line up side by side to measure 42 Wensels? And so if I have 42 Wensels, oops, it's on the screen, 42 Wensels, and Z over 1 times my conversion here is 1 Wensel is 1 larval stage Weevip, so Wensels is on the top. I put Wensels on the bottom, and that's my larval stage Weevip. Wensels goes. Obviously I'm left with 42 larval stage Now we're on the back. And on the back here, I'd like to point out that kilo is big. Meter, M, is my base. And then milli is small. Susan ran for 2,500 meters. That's my given, so I'll put it over 1. How many kilometers? I have a conversion right here. So meters is on the the top, meters will go to the bottom, and I'll say 1 km equals 1,000 meters equals 2.5 km. Ryan drives his car on a trip and goes 4,000 kilometers. This is my given, so I'll say 4,000. Look at this, how many miles did he travels? I have km on the top, I put km on the bottom, 1.609 km in 1 mile. And I will very simply do my math here. I'm looking at 4,000 divided by 1.609. 2,486 miles. That should be miles. Sorry. So Katie drinks 2 liters of water throughout the day. How many millimeters is I'm given? 2 liters over 1 times. I'm looking for a conversion between millimeters and liters, and I have it here. So 1 liter is 1,000 ml. My liters are going to cancel. Liters cancel. 2,000 ml. Katie and William's wedding cost about 21 million English pounds. How much is this in American dollars? Well, I can tell you right now, that's too much money. Just saying. Okay, so I'm starting with 21 million. Jeez, oh man. Pounds over 1 times the pounds on the top. So I'll say 0.6 pounds on the bottom. And I have my conversion here, that's $1. Pounds cancels, pounds cancels. And for this, I will say 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, divided by 0.6. That is 8, 7, there's 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just to make sure, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That, ladies and gentlemen, is an $8.7 billion wedding. And once again, the way that I got that is 8.7, I had a decimal here, times 10 to the 9, so I moved my decimal 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a heck of a wedding. You can buy a country for that. Jimmy buys 6 pounds of potatoes from the store. How many grams is this? If 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds, so he starts with his given 6 lbs over 1 times pounds is on the top. I can convert that to kilograms. And what that does is when I go from pounds to kilograms, I'm trying to find grams. And up here, I see that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. Right there. And so this is what I'm shooting for. So 6 pounds, so I'm using this here, 2.2 pounds. And 1 kg, pounds cancels out, times kgs on the top, 100 grams. There's 1,000 kgs at 1 gram. Six divided by 2.2 divided by No. 6 divided by 2.2 divided by, there we go, sorry, 0.0027 grams. A grande? Oh wait, no, just joking. That's grande. A grande drink from Starbucks is 16 ounces. How many liters is this? If 1 milliliter is 0.34 ounces. So I'm starting with 16 OZ over 1 times ounces on top, put ounces on the bottom. I have a conversion to milliliters right here. So I go ounces to milliliters. That's 0.034 ounces are in 1 milliliter. Ounces cancels, times milliliter on the bottom and a liter on the top. I know that there is 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. How do you know this? Well, right here, 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. And so I will do my math here. Maybe. Here it is. 16 divided by 0.034 divided by 123 equals 0.47 liters.